There are two ways to schedule a query in QueryForge: scheduling one you've already saved or scheduling a brand new query directly. Let's look at both. From Keepa with QueryVault open, make sure you're already signed into your QueryForge account. On the query you want to schedule, select the schedule icon. It looks like a calendar. The scheduling form will display. Scheduling a query works a lot like setting up a recurring appointment in your calendar app. There are 4 options: daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. For daily, you can run it every day or just on weekdays. For weekly, pick which days of the week you want it to run. You can choose more than one, and there are quick select buttons for weekdays and weekends. For monthly, pick a specific day, like the 1st or the 15th, or a specific occurrence, like the 2nd Tuesday of the month. And for yearly, pick a month and day, or an occurrence, like the 3rd Monday of November. Notice that the first run-on date defaults to today. That's fine to leave as is, unless you want the schedule to start on a specific date. If you still have available on-the-hour grants on your subscription, you can also pick which hour of the day your query runs in. You'll notice 1 hour slot is disabled. That's QueryForge's maintenance window, and no queries can run during that hour. Once your schedule is set, the form shows an estimate of roughly how many ASINs this query will find and how many credits it'll use. When everything looks right, select the Schedule button. Back on your query list, you'll see the query is now scheduled. You can edit that schedule anytime from the More icon. Now let's look at the other way. You can schedule a brand new query directly without saving it first. Define your query. Let me put a quick one together. Now select the Schedule button, fill out your desired schedule, and select Schedule. You'll find the new query in your query list. Now's a good time to give it a better name. And that's it. 2 ways to put your queries on autopilot. Schedule one you've already saved straight from your query list, or schedule a brand new query directly the moment you build it. Either way, QueryForge runs it for you, right on schedule.